So this is going to be the first part of my new turbo upgrade. I just thought I'd go in a little bit more detail about the stuff I got. Um, so new turbo is a Blausch 20G XT journal bearing turbo. It's got an 8 cm hot side on it. 8 cm hot side. It's got a billet compressor wheel on it, which is really pretty. You see in there. I already got the Grimspeed wastegate bracket on it. We're going to stay external wastegate. Run this turbo, I'm going to need a lot more fuel. So I've got an Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, gauge to go with it, Walbro 450 pump that I'm going to hardwire, colder plugs, Tomei fuel pressure regulator adapter. We're going to stay with the stock fuel rails and just run my ID1000s. I got new OEM gaskets. The turbo came with gaskets. I didn't actually know it did, but I already went and got those, so I'm just going to stay with them. Got new washers for the oil feed, new oil drain line. I picked up a new intercooler elbow, as well as a throttle body coupler. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not, though. I thought I'd just grab one just in case. Okay, so intercooler is on. I didn't get good video of it because it kind of kicked my ass. I made a new elbow. I cut a new one, and it was just did not want to line up for me. I had it on and off probably like 10 times. Intercooler's on. Bypass valve and the vent lines are back on. So pretty much everything's hooked up. I just got to put coolant in it, bleed it, and fire it up. Sure nothing's running out of it just from cranking it, which would be bad. Looks clean. Okay, let's start it. Fingers crossed. Everything looks pretty good. Coolant. Bleeding a little bit. A little smoke coming off it. Still a little bit of coolant. Not bad though. Got good heat. Sitting right about a little over 160. Oil temp's starting to come up. Got oil pressure. Air fuel looks good. Tell me if you hear any turbo noises. Still waiting for the thermostat to open. Lower radiator hose is still pretty cold, but I think we're okay. Not bad. We'll wait till the fans kick on, lower hose opens, and give it a few more revs, button it back up, and go for a drive. Not bad.